I have some makeup products to test out by the brand ZEESEA, so stay tuned and we'll see how these perform. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video we have a makeup video, so I'm really excited to show you some products. I have very kindly been gifted these products. I have not paid for these products. So there is a brand called ZEESEA. I will link all of their information down below in the information box, along with each product that they have given me as well. So let's just show you them. Let's just show you them because guys, these are some pretty makeup, I tell you. So these are what I have been gifted, and that's not your eyes going funny, that is actually moving. So yeah, we have an eyeshadow palette, we have a blusher stroke highlighter little pan here, and we have this most gorgeous lipstick. Oh my god. So I've actually filmed me putting this makeup on, so if you are interested, stay tuned and we'll see how it performs. It's nothing too complicated at all. Well, basically this is the finished look, spoiler. But yeah, let's go straight to that footage. But first, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Let's go straight to that footage. Right guys, so I've put my base on and I've done my eyebrows. So excited to get this out of this box. I must say this has been very well packed indeed. First of all, I just want to apologise. I've literally jumped out the shower and put my face on. And that's why I've still got my towel on my head. And the background is a bit of a mess. I have the movers coming in 2 days time and I'm not ready. That's all I have to say about that. So you'll have to excuse the mess in the background. But yeah, let's get this makeup out of here. So this is what it looks like in like this. And then yeah, this is inside the box. So this makeup is very well packaged indeed. Look at that. And that. So this is the very first item. So I was allowed to choose colours and I chose basically nudes. I'm not a very out there person and I want to make use of the makeup that I'm sent, so, and I will definitely wear it if it's in the shade that I always wear. That's without the plastic. So this is called Bar Joyful Game. And I think this is the eyeshadow. I'm pretty certain it is. Oh my god guys, it's so cute, look at that. It's like see-through as well. Oh, that is so nice. The packaging feels really good quality too. But them are the shades. Oh, so gorgeous. Well, we're gonna have to swatch these straight away. So I'm gonna do this shiny one here. Ooh, so that is glitter basically. Oh, that is so pretty. Yeah, so that's like a glitter topper one. I'm gonna go for this one here. It feels very velvety. And I'm gonna go for this one down here. And should we go for that other glitzy one here too? Yeah, why not? Why not? Oh my god, look, that's really glitzy. It's really gorgeous. Oh, should we do some of the mattes as well? Right, so I'm just going to do this one, and this one. We'll just do 3 of them. I don't know where to stick them. Ooh. Oh yeah, lovely. Very pigmented. Guys, they do feel like absolute butter as well. Yeah, I can't wait to get them eyeshadows on my eyes. We have this. It's very cute packaging. This is a highlighter and blush. So let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, look at that, it turns. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. Right, so let's do some little swatches of this. So the pink bit here is obviously the blusher. So just got a little bit there, and then we'll take some for the highlight. I'm running out of places. So that's the blusher. Oh, that's a lovely pinky peach shade highlighter there. Oh, lovely. Oh my god, it's so cute. The last thing they have sent to me is this. So this is a lipstick, and this packaging is huge for a lipstick. Oh my god. Let's open it up. Right, so it's out of the plastic and it's got a little pull, so we just pull it. Oh my god, this is really bougie, isn't it? Oh my god. Oh, wow. That is the prettiest lipstick ever. We've got a dragon wrapped around it. Wow, and it's really heavy. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. That's so pretty. And then this is the shade that I've went for. Again, keeping it neutral. That's really soft, but that is that shade there. It's kind of like a cool tone. I love it, absolutely love it. So when I'm putting all of this on, I'll tell you what shades and stuff that I have chosen. Oh, and it's magnetized. That is mega cute. Ooh. So we're going to start off with the blush highlighter. But right, I'm going in with a highlighter bit first, so I'm just getting my brush and there we go. Look at that. Can you see it? It's very subtle, but it's like a wet look. Oh, it's very pretty. I'm really liking that. Oh my god, I'm in love. Absolute love. I always put some on my chin. Lovely. It's very subtle, but very nice. Cupid's bow. Okay, this is my blusher brush, and I'm gonna have a bit of trouble there, but we still give it a go. I've packed the rest of my brushes away, so we'll see. Very pretty. Oh, that is lovely. Right, guys, so that is the blush highlighter on, and I'm really pleasantly surprised at the blush part of this. It is very pigmented. The highlighter is so cute. It's like a wet look, and it's not too in your face. Super happy with it. Onto the eyeshadows. So I won't be able to tell you individual colours for this. It has got the shades on the back, but it's all in Chinese, so I can't read that, unfortunately. But yeah, let's get on with the eyes. I'm just going to use this dark shade here first, and I'm going to put it just above my crease and along my lash line and do a C. Very nice. Blends very nice. There's a lot of fallout in the pan, but it doesn't bother me, to be honest. And then just buff that out a bit. I'm keeping this nice and natural because I have actually got work in an hour or two, so we'll be good. I'm taking that same dark colour and I'm just popping it under my eye. Very nice colour indeed. I am now going to take, I don't know, I'm now going to take this colour right here and I'm going to pop that all over the lid. Look how pigmented that is, that's really nice. And I'm just going to blend that again. Okay. I'm now, again, because I'm trying to keep it as neutral as possible for work. I mean, it's a neutral palette, so it's not hard, but I'm now going to go in with the last colour that I'm going to use, which is this one. It's like a shimmer, a very light shimmer. So we're just going to pop some on. Right, not really working with the brush. I might have to finger it. Finger it? Sounds pleasant. So soft and buttery. So this is not an in-your-face shimmer. It's like a light shimmer to it. The camera's not picking that up at all. That's really not fair. But that looks beautiful in real life. The camera's not picking that up, that's good in. So nice. Let's take a little bit of this one just in the top here. Hopefully that might pick up a bit better. Yeah, so you can see that one. I'm just putting it on very finely because I don't want to go too glittery to work. That will do for work. So let's just blend that in a little bit. Just got my blender brush and I'm just going in for this colour here. It's very light, and I'm just putting it under my eye to mix with that darker colour. So hopefully it'll blend. I'm sorry if I'm pulling faces, by the way, but just so it'll blend a bit better. Yeah, it's better. The faces we pull when we're doing makeup. Right, so that is my eyes done. I'm really happy with the eyeshadow. It is absolutely gorgeous. I am now going to just pop a little bit of mascara on, so I'll be back in a moment. So mascara on. I really like the look of my eyes, I really do. Right, so that is my mascara on. It is time to put the lippy on. I am not going to be able to get over the decadence of that. That is crazy for a lipstick. It's so cute. That has to be sat out on a vanity and appreciated, doesn't it, really? But let's pop it on. I didn't show you either before, the actual lipstick itself is embossed. Wow. Right, so let's put it on. Oh my god, it's so soft and buttery. I love that colour. Guys, that's really nice. It feels so good on the lips. Right, I am going to disappear. I'm going to do my hair, and then I'm going to come back with final thoughts on each and everything that I've tried out today, so it won't be long. Right guys, all done. So yeah, I love the overall look. I am in love with the colour of the lipstick. I'm just looking in my my screen, making sure you can actually see it nicely there. I really love it. I absolutely love it. And I'm not just saying that because I was gifted these items. So what did we put on first? We put on the highlighter and blush. So put the blush on. At first I thought, oh, it's not really going on okay, until I turned my head and saw, I mean, look how illuminated I am. There's no like big glitter particles all over my face. It looks a bit wet. I look a bit juicy. And yeah, the blusher, again, I wasn't expecting a lot because the blusher pot, once it stops moving, the blusher pot of the pan, it's not a lot of the pan, so my brush didn't really get in at it properly, but she pigmented. She is pigmented and she is not matte. I definitely feel very juicy. That on its own I would have been very happy to receive because wow, gorgeous. And if you like little pussycats, you'd like that because it's a little cat hiding and moving. But yeah, love it, absolutely love it. The eyeshadow palette, it did crumble a lot in the pan, but I didn't have any fallout, which was absolutely fantastic. And the little bits of, not crumbles, but the little bits of dust in the pan, I've just repressed in. Fantastic. I absolutely love that. That is me. That, what I've just done there is me. So the shimmer is not in your face. It's very delicate shimmer, so it's not big bits of glitter flying everywhere, but you can just see when it catches the light that it's like illuminating. Word of the video, illuminate. But yeah, I absolutely adore it. And the packaging feels such good quality as well. The pièce de résistance, I mean, how it, look at it. This feels amazing. It looks amazing. I mean, have you got a lipstick that looks like that? Oh, so happy with that, oh my god. Without even seeing the lipstick inside, I was over the moon when I saw that, and I was like, yeah, love it. Yeah, it just looks so bougie and over the top and decadent, and oh, it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, love it. And then yeah, the colour of the actual lipstick itself, is stunning. I'm really glad I chose that shade. And then the detail on the actual bullet lipstick as well, it's all embossed. Yeah, she's soft like butter and she's looking good. But yeah, I feel like I'm looking a little bit juicy. I'm feeling it. I must say I am feeling it, and I don't say that about me very often. It's a close-up of the makeup for you so you can have a good old nosy. But look at that highlighter. Isn't it amazing? Obviously I've got texture on my skin, everybody has texture, but wow, the blusher is really nice as well. The eyeshadow, I like it. It has excuse the mascara, I kind of went on my eyelids a bit, I was in a rush. But the eyeshadow is stunning. The it's like a satin eyeshadow, so there's a little bit of sheen there but not too much, which is what I absolutely love. And the colours out of this world. The lips, I think that colour is awesome. I chose well done me, give myself a pat on the back. Yeah, there is your close-up. But yeah, I absolutely love the products that have been sent, so a big thank you to the brand ZEESEA for sending them to me. I appreciate it so much. I will link all of these products down below. Guys, head over to their website and have a little look. It has such a lovely feel. It's like a little Egyptian feel to it, and they have some amazing products, so make sure to check it out and don't miss out. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.